that you're recording right now.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody's. We are heading out to the last practice day, so it's very Duma. I guess we're gonna be kind of a herring party today here. Where's the keys at? Don't herring party over me. Can we even open the trailer door, man? Yo, Jay, can't even open the trailer door. Let's lock it back for now if JJ wants to move it. Do you think you could? Fuck. Can't open the door. So we just work from the back then? Yeah. Okay. Sue just died, sorry. It's kind of a herring party.
Who's in the car? Oh, in the car?
I think we might be in the car.
Oh, okay.
Just give him maybe like 2 minutes and he's gonna be out.
Okay. Oh, you can get in right now? Yeah, you can get in right now.
Got the straps, Kyle, front?
Yeah, straps are all off.
Okay.
Kel, you could have parked right there. It's too late. Huh?
Yeah, they guided us here.
Did you say you guys at the Hyundai? They still say no? Okay, oh well.
Yeah, you just go with the flow, huh? Let's clean it up.
You can plug this in too, huh?
I guess. Fuck. Which side will you run the cables, Jay?
I'll go that way.
That way? Aye. I put it on. Yeah, yo. Morning, Rob. Here, Kyle. I gave you a tool. Yeah. Let me see. Let me at the front. We good? We good? Oh man, all right. Let me get the warmers then. Warmers, Jay? Got the others too. Thank you, sir. spacers. Come on out. Why are you so tight like a motherfucker? There you go. I'm gonna just put these back up right now. I'm not
This
gonna
one's
show.
on the what, left front?
Right front, right front.
On the spacer, yeah.
On the spacer, yeah. Yes, sir. I'm gonna put these back. Is it Keisha? Is it Stacy? Oh, sorry. Do 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 do. Oh fuck me. Take a picture. The sun is coming up, baby. Oh yeah. Sorry, camera. Sorry, camera. That's my mental capacity with the sleepy is no good. Hey, Cal. Is it cool to hold brakes?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Double check. Okay, cancel. Yeah, just the fronts for now. Spacers. Let's just check my torque. Thanks, Jay. You are the light in my life. Ow. I mean, literally. What the fuck? There. Okay.
This is dry up here.
Yeah.
It was wet yesterday.
Because I was scared, you know, because I saw those, how you call it when the snow melts and it has that little runoff across the track. And I saw one of the dudes, well, it was more up, but he like lost it for a second. Thank you, Kyle.